You don't raise to the level of your dreams, you follow to the levels of your system. And in Hypnosuccess, you will find step-by-step process to naturally and easily upgrade your relationships habits that will allow you to remove emotional baggage from the past, install positive habits for better relationships, and how to properly use self-hypnosis. Give us a call for a free consultation. Now offering group hypnosis for habits upgrade. Every Wednesday, 6 to 8 p.m. Come and learn how to practice relationship maintenance with Hypnosuccess. The one place where habits get work done.